Okay, so in this video, I will be making this unique gaming tabletop. We're showing the step-by-step process along the way, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's get started. And so here it is all pieced together so far. On the underside here you'll see I had some leftover plywood and made a 3" by 3" rail that the top lip is all glued and screwed down to. So then, with all the reclaimed wood slats I just ripped, those will be going all over the ledge here, covering the entire thing. Okay, so I just got done cutting all these cup holder holes, these black cup holders, but you can't really see, but they stick up just a little bit, so we're going to recess that real quick. Perfect. And so here I'm just putting a finishing touch, laser engraving my brand into the top rail. Right, so we got the fabric in. It's all screwed down, good to go. The LED lights are installed, cup holders are in. We are done. So let's go quick, install it, see what it looks like in its natural habitat. Okay, here we go. And here it is. So I'm really happy with how this all turned out. I think the LED lighting was a nice touch. Now you'll see here the cup holders are not in. I actually forgot to bring them when I installed them. So if you watch to the end, there are 2 pictures with the cup holders installed. So thank you all for watching again. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you would consider liking and sharing it, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you all.